This space, it's a very special place. It's the Flatiron North Public Plaza. It's been with us for about a decade here between Broadway and Fifth Avenue.
The competition is the Flatiron Holiday Design Installation Competition. We're looking for pieces that bring joy and vitality and vibrancy to a space, but create opportunities for public interaction.
From the beginning, we were thinking a lot about how incredible it is to be intersecting with other people in public space again. We were also really excited about the idea of New York and of America as an interwoven tapestry. So we saw this as a repeated, simple form of parabolic arches that intersect, but done in a range of really exciting materials.
The main structure is all welded steel framing. We used cork here in the center, dense mesh here on the top. 3-form was one of my top picks just because of how versatile it is. Something that would be translucent and kind of glow, where we were able to achieve that effect really nicely.
The nice thing is that with 3-form, it's really bringing out the color of the LEDs themselves, so we can change them to a variety of different colors to both match it and its effects that occur throughout the space. The theme was bringing people together, a place that people could rest and relax and just take in the amazing space that we're in.
We put together a prompt that says, I dream of a world where together we can. So all around the structure are invitations to people to participate in this conversation.
This is all about showcasing that creativity. It's a pleasure to be kind of the host for that and the work that you're seeing here in this piece, Interwoven.